Hi, my name is Parker, and if you're like me, you have a smartphone or other mobile device. I use my phone to play games, send messages to my friends, and watch videos. Having your own phone is fun, but you need to make sure you are using it safely. Here are some good tips to follow. Set a password on your phone and don't share it with anyone except your parents or a trusted adult. Don't download anything without your parents' permission. When you download an app, have your parents check your privacy and location settings. Don't answer a call or a text from an unfamiliar number or send photos or videos to someone you don't know, and never promise to meet up with a stranger. Don't share private information like your phone number or where you live. Be careful when posting pictures of yourself or others online, and do not post anything that your mom or dad would think is inappropriate. Think carefully about what you say before you post. Don't respond to or forward mean messages. If you see someone being bullied online, tell your parents. And if you see anything that makes you feel uncomfortable, talk to an adult right away. Most important, spend some time away from your phone every day. Nothing replaces spending time with your family and friends in person. Remember, your phone is a privilege, so always treat it with respect.